Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aqsa Zafar and today I am going to share a simple roadmap to learn deep learning. If you are new to this field or just looking for a clear guide, this video is for you. So let's get started. Let's start by talking about what deep learning actually is. So deep learning is a way for computers to learn by themselves, just like our brains do. It uses something called neural networks, which are like layers of connected points that help computers understand patterns in data. For example, when Facebook suggests tagging your friends in a photo, that's deep learning. When Alexa understands what you are saying, that's deep learning too. It's even what helps self-driving cars see the road and avoid accidents. Now let's talk about why deep learning is important. It's making a big difference in many areas. For example, in healthcare, deep learning helps doctors find diseases by looking at X-rays or MRI scans. If you have ever seen a movie or video suggestion on Netflix or YouTube, that's deep learning figuring out what you might like. In finance, it helps spot fake transactions and even make decisions for trading stocks. What makes deep learning special is that it can handle a lot of information and solve hard problems that older methods can't. It helps with things like recognizing faces, understanding speech, and making smart predictions. Now it's time to start the deep learning roadmap. The first thing you need to work on is your math skills. Math is important because it helps you understand how deep learning works. Focus on probability and statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. Probability helps with things like Bayes' theorem and data categorization. Linear algebra is used for image recognition and recommendation systems like Netflix and Amazon. And calculus is important for calculating probabilities. To learn these skills, I recommend Khan Academy's Statistics and Probability and Udacity's Linear Algebra Refresher course. Both are beginner friendly and free. You can also check Mathematics for Data Science Specialization on Coursera to cover these topics in depth. You can check the course link in the description. Next, you will need to learn a programming language. The two most popular languages in deep learning are Python and R. But I suggest starting with Python because it's easy to learn and widely used. Some great Python courses are CS Dojo on YouTube, Udacity's Introduction to Python Programming, and Python for Data Science on Udemy. These are all beginner friendly and will get you coding in no time. You can check the course links in the description. The next step is to work on your data wrangling skills. Deep learning uses a lot of data, so you need to know how to clean, process, and organize it. This includes ETL and understanding databases like MySQL and NoSQL. A few good resources are W3 School's SQL tutorial, Udacity's SQL for data analysis, and edX SQL for data science. You can check the course link in the description. Once you have mastered these basics, you can move on to learning machine learning algorithms. These are important for understanding deep learning. Focus on algorithms like naive-Bayes, support vector machines, and decision trees, which help with data classification, prediction, and clustering. I recommend Machine Learning by Stanford University on Coursera and Udacity's Introduction to Machine Learning. If you want something a bit lighter, edX Machine Learning Fundamentals is another great option. You can check the course link in the description. After you have built a good understanding of machine learning, you can start learning deep learning algorithms. Some of the most important ones are artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. These algorithms help solve more advanced problems like image recognition and language processing. Great courses for this are the Deep Learning Specialization by deeplearning.ai on Coursera and Udacity's Intro to Deep Learning with PyTorch. For hands-on learning, check out Kaggle's Intro to Deep Learning. Next, get familiar with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These tools make it easier to build and train deep learning models. To start, you can take Udacity's Intro to TensorFlow for Deep Learning or Introduction to Deep Learning and Neural Network with Keras on Coursera. Both courses give you practical experience using these popular frameworks. Finally, the best way to make sure you are really learning is to work on projects. The more you practice, the better you will get. Start with beginner projects like dog breed identification, face detection, and crop disease detection. These projects are great for applying your knowledge in real-world setting. You can find some guided projects on platforms like Kaggle or follow along with Udemy's deep learning bootcamps. And that's it for today. I hope this roadmap helps you start your deep learning journey. Remember, learning deep learning is a process, so take it step by step and keep practicing. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.